Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A71. Okay, before we begin we need to remember that after locking the bootloader our phone will perform a factory reset of the data, so I highly recommend you to create a backup of your data because everything will be erased and the phone will perform a factory reset. So now we can open up the settings, go into connections and connect into Wi-Fi. Select available network for you and type the password. Click on connect. Okay, then go back, scroll all the way down, click on about phone. Now software information, and we need to tap on the build number until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, scroll down, open up developer options, and as you take a look, currently the OEM unlocking feature is enabled but unavailable. We cannot turn it off from here. So to turn it off, we need to power off our device first. Hold power button and volume down button at the same time. Select power off. Okay, we also need to have a USB-C cable that is also connected into our working computer. It is important because without it you won't be able to lock the bootloader. And now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert the cable. When we insert the cable we need to keep holding both volume keys for a little bit longer. So hold both volume keys, insert the cable and keep holding. Just like that. Now hold volume up. Okay, and now it's asking us, do we want to lock the bootloader? Also, unlocking and locking the bootloader is only available if you have the stock ROM on your phone. If you don't have it, don't worry, on our channel you can find a video how to install the stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy A71. Okay, now it's asking us, do we want to lock the bootloader? We want, so we need to click on volume up. Now the phone will perform a factory reset, so we need to wait until it turns on. We can also unplug the cable for now. Okay, we can see that it's erasing everything. So now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. We also have to go through the setup process, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, the phone has turned on, so let's go quickly through the setup process. In here, click on agree, click on skip, click on next, click on more and accept, click on skip, skip, skip and skip, click on agree, next, finish, alright. Now again we need to connect into Wi-Fi, so open up the settings, go into connections, Wi-Fi, select available network for you and type the password. Click on connect. Alright, now go back, scroll down, about phone, software information, tap on the build number, then go back, open up developer options, and now turn off the OEM unlocking. Okay, now the phone tells us that we should restart our phone to use device protection features. So let's hold power button and volume down button. select restart, tap once again, and now after the restart, the bootloader will be fully locked and we'll be ready to use our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.